Can't you get to that the white thing over there?
The cooler temp sensor right there. This one too, to get to that. In order to get to that, I gotta remove this. I mean, I try avoid to, but I can't because I don't have enough space to work. So the last screw I need to move. So we move 3 screws, one here, and one there. Before we move that, mark your timing so you can put them right. So I got a little scrape right here. So how I take off.
Always.
And when you take out, there's gonna be a O-ring here. So little oil gonna come out. Got some rag there. Drop some oil. Not much, just a little oil coming out. And that's my last screw. There you go, it dropped. And remove my distributor. Voila, see the oil coming out. Yeah. So let's stuff that oil in. Too much though, okay. Now I could get my cool temp right there. I got a code PO118. Fish my magnet screw out here. See? 3 of them. So, but now
What are you trying? What number?
19. Oh, look, 19 fit.
Perfect.
But this thing is still in the way. And I go to medium side. So this is a coolant temp sensor that give me a code 118. So I'm gonna try to change it. Come out.
Yes, the water coming out like crazy. You put the bucket under there?
Go. And it fit. There's a washer there, so I don't know. Did they have washer? Oh, it does. No, it didn't. It has a washer. It's coming side. We don't have a 22, but 7/8 will do. It's close enough. You just need to make sure, but not too tight, okay? Let's see. A little bit tight more just in case. Okay. Okay, there you go. But just cook it. Okay, put the hot one first. Here.
Put the hard one first, you say.
Okay.
And there's somewhere, I don't know where.
Did you catch it? I'm not sure. Look like catch it, okay? Just put as much go inside as I can. I was wondering if I got the distributor back, but we're gonna find out, okay? Pointing up or down, left or right, but I didn't look at that. So I gotta line up that thing there. And the second hardest, put it in first. Why?
Because you don't want to like put it in and screw it all up and it doesn't start, and then you have to come back and take it out and redo again.
Yeah, honey, this ignition had to go up. Everything had to button up back. See, it will start, okay? And we don't want the timing to run everywhere if we got them right. It's just hard to get the screw. Do it evenly. Got line up, see, line up. hot one. Hopefully I don't. Just gonna put the super is plastic. At least hold it. Come on. Should be good. The one I took off, so I need room. Okay? So let's go see. This is a quad. 97 is an old car, LX 4-cylinder that has a check engine code of P11H. Okay, so I'm already replaced the coolant temp sensor. Go ahead and delete the code. I'm gonna show you what the code looks like first. Turn on my OBD2. This is a affordable symbol scanner check for your code. So enter. We're gonna go diagnostic, and I'm gonna check what code is in the thing. I'm gonna clear it out, and we're gonna drive for. I'm gonna drive for a few weeks, see the code come back or not. See the problem is fixed or not. We'll see, right? Right.
Right. Late response.
Because the cool temp is been there for since new, so. Try against error. Try again, escape. Let's try that one more time. Read it or not. Okay, do you want to erase previous? I'm gonna say no. I want to check my. Okay, there's one code. There you go. Read code. Read code. Store code. See? P11X coolant temp sensor circuit high, whatever that means is. So I'm gonna go ahead and read that code, and we already changed the coolant temp sensor. You can see earlier. Let's go erase the code. Erase the code. Trouble coding. You sure you want to erase? Yeah, yes. Code raise. Okay. And check for code. Any code left? No code. Okay. So.
Start the car, check for leak, he say.
We're going to drive for a few weeks and see the code come out, okay? Let me continue. You need to do a bleed your coolant, because you see some coolant came out when I take the sensor, temp sensor out, okay? So I'm going to check for leak first. No leak. Maybe switch up. You see there's no leak there. So we got the timing correct. We got them in the right place, so we didn't mess up. Otherwise, the car would not start. But it did start. We need a ratchet and 22 there. Okay, and then some minor extension. That's all you need, honey. Oh, this one is just stuff we take out. Later, after we switch out the switch. Okay, some coolant leak out. Still have a lot of coolant though, but I just want to bleed it. Make sure that, yeah. Use my adapter. Adapter. That in. Okay. So it's on. Shut that down. Get your favorite radiator liquid. Fill them up. A little bit. Does it look only a little leak? No, overfill it. Start the car. That's all we need for now. So turn up your air, your heat going high. All right, start the car. I'm gonna leave that off, one fan. That it's quicker for the thermostat open. So now it's a game of watch out for the bubble. That's all we need. We gotta wait. I'm squeezing right here. Help the bubble. You see a little bubble coming out? Okay, I'm gonna go step on the gas pedal, honey. You skip in here. Okay. So the fan kick off, the thermostat open, and all the water got circled through the heater pool. But now it's a game of wait. Bubble still coming out here. So that means it's circles to the heater pool. Bubble, I'm gonna take these out. Okay. It's a little mess too. Cap back on. That should be done. Probably a little dirty, but it'll be okay. Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday. My car has a code of P0118. Last week, I replaced a coolant temp sensor, and I've been driving for 153 miles now. So I want to see if that coolant sensor replacement help the check engine code go away. All right, here we go. See, I got it on now. So now all I gotta do is turn on my engine to on. Okay. Okay. Enter. Diagnostic. I can already see that green triangle there. That's a good sign. Let's not erase yet. I just want to see if the code is going away. Okay, let's read code. Store code. No code, yay. So I think this problem is fixed. Okay, now let's start engine. Oop, I forgot to put it back to a, because I was moving the shift so I can get to the scanner plug. So I can get to the scanner plug. See, they start good. Okay, so if this video helped you, please give a thumbs up, and thank you again for watching. Have a good day.